truly sorry, but things will change. You're not the love I used to know. It's killing me. And in the depths of my memories, your stories echo from the past. Because your face stand up when you're a black past. Sorry, I really am. My final words are